AI brings breakthroughs. But it also makes mistakes. When these mistakes occur, what can we do? This is where AI remediation comes in. A new concept designed to correct AI hallucinations and rebuild trust. In August 2025, during the design of a personalized health management database at Axel Biotechnology, Bryn formally introduced the new term AI remediation. He consolidated the lessons learned from resolving AI hallucination challenges during the company's AI transformation into a set of highly versatile strategies, which later became the standard framework for Axel Biotechnology's AI applications. AI remediation is a post-correction mechanism focused on addressing AI hallucinations and generative errors. It goes beyond fixing outputs. It emphasizes tracing root causes, updating knowledge, and restoring user trust. AI remediation is built on 5 core principles. Instant awareness. Detect potential errors during generation. Traceability. Ensure every output can be traced to its source data and reasoning chain. Risk tiering. Scale responses based on risk level, with stricter review for high-risk errors. Human AI co-governance. Involve experts in sensitive scenarios, enabling collaborative judgment. Real-time knowledge update. Continuously correct outputs through external data and live learning. AI remediation uses a modular architecture that allows error correction to seamlessly integrate into various AI systems. Error detection module. Algorithms and rules flag potential hallucinations. Fact verification module. Cross-check outputs against databases and external APIs. User feedback module. Gather user responses and suggestions to refine model behavior. Expert review module. Trigger manual review for high-risk content. Knowledge update module. Incorporate new data or research to keep outputs aligned with reality. These modules can function individually or form a complete remediation pipeline, adaptable to different industries. In high-stakes fields like healthcare, law, education, and customer support, AI remediation flags errors in real time, validates facts, and activates expert review to significantly reduce decision-making risks. Meanwhile, through feedback and continuous knowledge updates, AI becomes increasingly reliable, enabling true trust and widespread adoption. In the next episode, we'll showcase real-world case studies of AI remediation in action and evaluate its impact.